Today, let's talk about protecting your Cybertruck. With the Cybertrucks being delivered in stainless steel, we have already found that most owners actually, while they like it, they want it to be of color. So they want to go ahead and either wrap it using vinyl film or color change PPF. Now, once you go ahead and do that, your job's not over. The film does its stuff to go ahead and protect the stainless a little bit, but let's talk about maintenance. Let's talk about how do you take care of your Cybertruck after it's been wrapped? What should you do? What areas should be focused on? And we're gonna get right into it. So as you can see, this is a world's first 3M wrapped satin white Cybertruck, and it looks great. But our friends at Ceramic Pro have all the answers for easy cleanup, easy maintenance, and to also protect your wrap from discoloration and deterioration, especially if you live in very hot, sunny areas and if your truck's outside all the time. So multiple types of product used for specific areas. Ceramic Pro's got one that focuses on the wrap, and it also gives it a little bit more of a sheen. Not gloss, but sheen. It actually looks so much better, and we love applying that after we wrap a car. It's quite easy, doesn't take very long, and definitely not the same treatment that you use for Ceramic Pro on paint. Applying it to PPF or to a color change vinyl film, a lot easier. So after we apply it to all the wrapped areas, we now take their next product focusing on plastics, and the Cybertruck's got a lot of plastic. You've got the front bumper, you've got the front and rear wheel arches, you've got the side skirts or rocker panels, and then the big rear lower bumper. Now, these areas actually get stained pretty easily from stuff that comes up from the road, whether it's oils or dirty water. Applying the Ceramic Pro to those areas is gonna allow for really easy cleanup. And take it from me, I've been driving a Cybertruck for a few weeks now. The rear bumper gets really dusty and dirty just because of everything that's kicked up, even after driving it for a day or two. Ceramic Pro is going to allow for very easy cleanup, and we'll get more into that in a moment. Let's talk about their next product. So they have one specifically made for your wheels. Now, the Cybertruck comes with some pretty cool aero covers, but you know, the coolest truck in the world really should have some really cool wheels. And this particular owner chose our 20-inch flow-forged TCT wheels for an upgraded look. And when you have an aftermarket upgraded wheel, you want to go ahead and allow yourself to clean it up very easily, right? So again, with Ceramic Pro's product that they have specifically designed for wheels, not for plastic aero covers, but for actual flow-forged wheels, you want to use that product, apply it there to help clean up very easy from brake dust and other types of road dirt that comes up. Now, when you change the wheels on a Cybertruck, you are actually now exposing the front and rear brake calipers. These brake calipers come from Tesla, silver in color, very plain, no logos whatsoever. This particular owner asked us to go ahead and paint his calipers in red and reapply the Tesla letters in white, exposing them, giving it that sporty, upgraded look. I absolutely love it, but brake calipers get dirty. There's a specific product designed by Ceramic Pro to help clean your brake calipers and make that cleanup super easy. So now we've addressed the wrapped body panels, the exterior plastic parts, the wheels, the brake calipers, and to finish it all off, all the glass. The Cybertruck has a lot of glass. I mean, take a look at the windshield, the roof, the sides. Well, you know what? You want to go ahead and apply a product to the exterior of the glass to repel water very quickly, to repel dirty water, so that you don't necessarily have to use your windshield wiper as often. And even though we've got this massive wiper, which is incredible, the world's largest automotive windshield wiper that is very effective for the windshield, what about for the roof and the sides? You know what, that area, when you apply the Ceramic Pro product, it repels that water very quickly. So after you spend about a day taking care of your truck, preserving it, protecting it, applying all the necessary products to all the areas. Let me also add, the massive rear bed cover is also plastic, so we applied the Ceramic Pro there as well. Once that's all done, you've kind of sealed it, you've locked it all in, you've protected your Cybertruck, and it comes with a 5-year warranty. Now, Ceramic Pro is only available at an authorized, trained, and certified dealer. and T-Sportline is a very proud dealer of Ceramic Pro. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so much more Cybertruck content coming your way soon.